Wirecast. In your Dacast encoder setup, select Telestream Wirecast. Then in Wirecast, from the main window of the encoder, click on Output. You will then be redirected to this window. Select RTMP Server. Click OK. Then once inside this window, go to the Address and Stream tab on Wirecast and paste the information from your Dacast encoder setup. You have now inputted the stream credentials from your Dacast livestream into your Wirecast encoder. You can now click on the stream icon. The encoder will recognize the stream credentials and connect to the Dacast server, thus enabling you to do your livestream.